Singsang Taytay Leho. My name is Irene Condat, 36 years old, from Poblacion, Siruma, Camarines Sur, Philippines. I am happy married with my husband, and I have two sons ages 4 years old and 2 years old. My hobbies are cooking, singing, and writing. I was worked as a domestic helper in the Philippines for 3 years. I served one couple and children ages 5 years old and 3 years old. My duties are taking care of their babies, cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, and doing laundry, and gardening too. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to have savings for my kids' future. I am willing to take good care of your newborn baby, toddler, and children. I can also sing a nursery rhyme like Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate, and I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible, Sir, Madam.